Hi guys, I am Vignesh. Why GD&T is important for design engineering? Let's break this topic with clear example. Take an example of this hexagonal. This model is detailed with clear dimensions but not mention any of these tolerance symbols. Like look at the dimensions for this 14 mm, 16.17 mm, 90 degree and M8. All that are mentioned without applying any kind of a tolerance. Once you design the drawing and take this into a manufacturing process like a turning machine and milling machine, they done some kind of an operation to get the required shape of this product. Without using a GD&T, we get this kind of an outputs only. So how we can avoid that and make a proper product? Now take this example. Look at this 2D drawing again. It is mentioned with a clear GD&T symbols and tolerances. The 69 plus or minus zero point 0.1 is a bilateral tolerance and A is nothing but a datum. A and B is a datum value and we have a feature control frame. It is mentioned with tolerance symbols and modifiers. Once you done this kind of a drawings, it is helps to manufacturing a product better. Like consider as this is a datum. It is only applicable for to fixing the components properly. If you fix the components in a lathe chuck at the perfect location by using a 3 to 1 principles and using a 14 different tolerance symbols. Look at this 5 different category like form control, profile control, runout control, orientation control, location controls. These symbols are geometrical symbols mainly applicable for manufacturing process to get the perfect output. This is a feature control frame included with the tolerance symbols, tolerance values, modifiers, and datums mentioned properly in order to clearly communicate to the manufacturers to make the proper operation. Suppose if it is applied properly means how the output may look like. This is the exact output may look like. We get the perfect nut and it is easy to make for the bolt without any misalignments. Okay. Where GD&T is mainly using. One is for manufacturing for process to get a clear output. Another one is a quality inspection process where we going to place these parts. Let's take it into the benefits. Improve the part accuracy, reduce the rework, loosen the tolerance, support complex designs, standardize language. This is how it is look like when you apply a GD&T symbols and tolerance values in your drawing. It is easy to communicate for the manufacturers where we need to apply the recommended tolerance and how we need to fix the components. What you need to learn in GD&T: tolerance and its differences, dimensioning methods, 14 geometrical symbols, modifiers, datums, datum targets, virtual and resultant condition. Get full detailed GD&T course at www.kalere.in to get detailed content with example.